In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table from PDF to Google Sheets on desktop. Start by opening the PDF on your computer using your preferred PDF viewer. Make sure the file is saved locally so it loads quickly. Zoom in to around 125 to 150% so the table is clear and the column boundaries are easy to see. Now, try selecting the table just like you would with regular text. Click, hold, and drag from the top left corner of the table to the bottom right corner. If the selection highlights smoothly and you can see the rows and columns selected, that means the text is selectable. If you can't select individual text and the cursor behaves like you're selecting an image, the PDF may be a scanned document and this method won't work as is. Assuming the text is selectable, copy it using your keyboard shortcut. Next, open Google Sheets in your web browser. You can use a new blank spreadsheet or open an existing one where you want the table to go. Click once on the cell where you want the top left corner of the table to start. Cell A1 is a safe choice if the sheet is empty. Paste the data using your standard paste shortcut. Give it a second to populate. Google Sheets usually recognizes table structures and places data into rows and columns automatically. If you notice that everything lands in a single column or in one cell, don't worry. Select the pasted data, then use the Split Text to Columns option from the Data menu. Choose the correct separator. Tab is most common for tables copied from PDFs, but you can try comma or space if the preview looks better. From here, adjust columns and formatting so the table is clean and readable. Auto-fit column widths by double-clicking the boundary between column letters or drag to set a custom width. Turn on text wrapping if cells contain long entries and align headers and numbers so the table looks consistent. Format numbers, dates, and currencies, so calculations work as expected. If your first row contains labels, consider bolding it and freezing it by going to View, then Freeze, and selecting one row so headers stay visible as you scroll. You can also add borders to define the table and remove any blank rows or extra spaces that came in during copying. If stray spaces persist, pasting without formatting or using a quick trim can help tidy things up. And that's it. You've copied a table from a PDF into Google Sheets and made it clean, structured, and ready to use.